Alright, so we're getting ready to go on these guys' first trail ride. How you feeling?
Amazing.
It's gonna be great. It's gonna be red rock, juniper, pinyon, rocks, there's sand, there's dead trees, they'll kind of hang around, but we're gonna take these two guys behind us, Ringo and Crosby, taking them out on their first ride.
We've been out here on Crosby and Ringo for their very first ride outside of a round pen. We've been working on cantering and just a bunch of crazy terrain. I mean, the terrain is so intense, but these horses are so amazing that they're just able to handle it. And I've ridden jumpers my entire life, and this guy makes the stuff that I ask them to do look like nothing. And he just handles it and does it, so it's amazing.
Why did it just work?
Yeah, I felt like I trusted Crosby the entire time because of his nature, for sure.
They just found their way, had a good time. We walked, stopped, we climbed things. Wonderful day. So come ride with us sometime.